Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Regular puzzle and medium Sudoku. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, March the 22nd, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle, the binary puzzle. So two puzzles remain. Regular puzzles, the medium, the Sudoku mix, and the medium Sudoku. Yeah. And I've told you earlier in this newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So what I will do is in the evening I will search for an additional with puzzles left. But let me continue with this one. Sudoku medium number 6154. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, well, with 26 printed digits, it's a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this third row. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there in this row. Alright. Then, let me see. We have a 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in this column, set column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. How about the 2 in the last column, the 2 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. Alright. Two in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. So the only place left for 2 should be there. Yeah, now I cannot continue with 2. Need more information. Insufficient information. Alright. How about 7? Yeah. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 3, 6, and 8. 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, the 8 is missing. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8. And look, we have 3 and a 6 in the middle column. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. So 1 digit left in the last row. For number 8. 8. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1. 9, and a 4. Okay. Yeah. 3 in this row. 3 in one of those two boxes in the last row. So the row between, the only two places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we see a 3 in this column. No 3 there, 3 should be there. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column. So no 6 in this box. The 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. That means we have a 6 in one of those two boxes in this row, 6 in one of those two boxes in the last row. So the row between, only place left for the 6 should be there. One box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between, only place left for the 8 should be there. One box left in this row for number 1. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes in there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Well. 1, 1. We have a pair, the 1 and the 2 in the first row, the 1 and the 2 in the third row. So the row between, the second row, the only 3 places left for the 1 and the 2 goes in these 3 boxes. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. And look, we have 1 and the 2 in the first column, so no 1 and 2 in this box. 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and the 2. Alright. 3, 3. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, the 5 goes and there. Alright. 5, 5. 9, 9. Okay. 7, 8. 8, 4. 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 4, 5, 8. 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8. And look, we have 4 and 8 in this row. So no 4 and 8 in this box. 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. 1 digit left in the first column. For the number 5. Well. Having troubles with my hay fever. Apologies for the interruption. So 1 box left in this column for number 5. 5, 5. Yeah. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left then in the middle column, the 4 and the 9. 4 and the 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 4. 4, 4. Well. Come on. 2, 2. 5, 9, 3. 3 missing numbers. In the third row, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9. Well, we have a 3 and a 5 in this column, so no 3 and a 5 in this box. 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there, so 1 digit left in the third row for number 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9. Come on. 9. Let me think. 5. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these two boxes. Here, 5 in this column, so no 5 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 6 goes there. 4 and 8, we have 8 now in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. And the 6, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 to 5, 3 to 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. Okay. Wow. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we see a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now in the third column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 1 box left in the third column for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, the 7, 2, the 7. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 and 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there, and the final 2 numbers, the 3 and the 5, we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, yeah, not faster than 15 minutes, but I'm talking too long in the beginning. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star. Let me give this 2 stars. Alright. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, some of you do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.